Well, thank you for staying with us today at 5. I'm Glenda Lewis. It is back to the drawing board for the Biden administration as it tries to deliver on a campaign promise to forgive student loans. Appreciate you being here today at 5. Friday, the Supreme Court overturned a ruling that allowed the cancellation of thousands of dollars in student debt. Justices say the president overstepped his authority. So what does this mean moving forward for Michigan? Well, according to the White House, more than 800,000 Michigan citizens qualify for relief. Of those, more than 500,000 applications have been approved. 7 Action News reporter Darren Cunningham has more from college graduates about how this affects them and what could come next.
I was very excited about it. It was something that could definitely help me financially, something that could help my credit scores.
Janetta Eddington says that excitement turned to frustration Friday when she learned the Supreme Court overturned President Biden's plan to forgive up to $20,000 in student federal loans for borrowers like herself.
I have about $40,000, and most of it is interest.
The Oakland Community College and Wayne State University alum who studied nursing says the ruling felt like a rug pull.
That was very disappointing. It made me feel like, we can only bail out major corporations and the banks, and when it comes down to everyday citizens and like students, it wasn't important enough.
While there are hundreds of thousands of people who likely share Eddington's perspective, we also heard from the other side, from someone who agrees with the Supreme Court ruling.
I paid my way through.
Ronald Clark tells me he made a conscious decision in attending Macomb Community College, in part to avoid paying the higher costs of obtaining a 4-year degree.
We know what we're getting ourselves into, and I think the last thing we're looking for is for the government to step in because of our personal responsibility. And what are we teaching our kids if the government steps in?
Professor Noah Hall, who teaches law at Wayne State University, says the Supreme Court's ruling was predictable.
Most of us who study this field of law and are watching what the court is up to these days expected the court to strike this down.
Hall says the amount of money at stake, the number of borrowers involved, and the magnitude of the student loan program is legally much of the reason the Supreme Court decided this decision must be left to Congress. Friday, in response to the ruling, Biden said he will use the 1965 Higher Education Act as another attempt to deliver on his promise to forgive student loans.
Leaving it to the Biden administration even to come up with another approach and go back to court, maybe they'll have a better case, maybe they'll have a better strategy, but I don't know if the outcome will be different. I think this is really a decision and a reform that needs to come from Congress.
Whichever branch of the federal government has the authority to make the decision, Eddington just wants the relief.
Without this help, I'll probably be paying student loans for the rest of my life.
In Detroit, Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.